Yeah. Type T. Yeah. Tuskegee, let's go. Look, Tuskegee, for real, I give you all of me. But we probably gon' need your help, cause you know ain't no team. This is real, no make-believe. It's time to rebuild this dream. We gotta take the city back and give it to my kings and queens. We tired of asking, we doing it now. Shout out to everyone holding us down. If you don't like it, it don't come around. Stop at a hating, boy, don't make a sound. Keep sleeping on us when we running the town. Your ruling is over, now give us the crown. I gotta know why you riding and out, no more going in circles, no riding around, yeah. And just like Jeezy, we put on for our city. And if you trying to go against us, then we show you no pity. We don't care how long it takes, ain't no stopping us really. And if you think we slowing down, then you gotta be silly. Let's go. Tuskegee, 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 to sound of rebel. Tuskegee, 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 to sound of rebel. Tuskegee, 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 this is how I feel. Tuskegee, 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 with you I always will.
What's up, everybody? So here we have our windows. They have arrived. So we have some stacked to the sides and we have some right here. So these are actually new construction windows. So the difference between the two is that new construction windows, they'll have these flanges on the sides like how you see here. And so basically what these flanges do is that when you're installing the window, you'll install them from the outside and you'll basically nail the flanges to the wall. What you'll do is you'll come back with your siding and install that over the flanges when you're doing new construction and you're building the house from start to finish. However, new construction windows, they'll come without the flange, and basically you just sit the window inside of the opening. And you'll have like stops on the outside as well that'll stop the window from going back, and then you just screw in the windows from the sides like this to the side of the opening, and then you have your window installed. Alright, so what they're doing is they're putting nails in the 2x4s to attach the window to the 2x4. The reason is because the window is slightly smaller than the actual opening for the window, and also what these are new construction windows, so you can't just screw into the sides of them. You have to tap into the flange right here.
Oh.
Tuskegee, this is how I feel. Tuskegee, 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 with you I always will. It's time to